Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well and fine at your homes. This is your maths class for 7th grade. Before starting our next chapter, let us take a pledge against COVID 19. I, Mansi, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues against COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight. Okay, now we are going to start our next chapter, operations on rational numbers. So, the first operation is addition of the rational number. Now we are going to add two rational number. We have earlier added the numbers, simple numbers. Now we have to add the numbers which are in the form of fractions. What is fraction? Any number which is in the form of a upon b, that is called a fraction. So here it is given a upon b and c upon b are two rational numbers, then a upon b plus c upon b is equals to a plus c upon b. If the denominator are same, then we just have to add the numerator, and that would be the addition of the same denominator rational numbers. But if we are having different denominators, so now we are having different denominators, so how to add the number with different denominator? Simply do one thing. Firstly, we will do a question with same denominator, then we will do a question with the different denominator. Firstly, in same denominator, what we have to do, we just have to simply add the number, that would be the answer. But if the denominator is different, for example, that is positive 9 and that is negative 9, so firstly we have to convert the rational number into positive denominator. So simply multiply it with minus 1 in denominator and numerator, that would be minus 7 and 9, just simply add it on. Next is add 2 upon 5 and minus 3 upon 4. Here the denominators are totally different, so what we have to do, we just have to multiply the denominator of first with the numerator or denominator of second, and the denominator of second to multiply with first and second. What is the purpose of this multiplication? The purpose of this multiplication is to make the common LCM. So the first number is 2 by 5. We have to multiply it with the denominator of second. So taking the denominator second. The denominator of second is 4. So simply multiply 2 by 5 with 4 over 4. We have to multiply 4 in both denominator as well as numerator. So next is minus 3 over 4. So multiply 5 with minus 3 over 4. The denominator is equal in both numbers. Now we can add it easily. So that is the method to add any number with a different denominator. So next is, if a number is having negative denominator, so firstly convert that number into positive denominator. If you want to do it as on, you can do it, there is no issue. Next is, if how to add the, if we are having three numbers, how to add those three numbers? Simply take the LCM. Firstly add the first two terms, then add the term to the third one. So now moving to our exercise. Our first exercise is exercise 3.1. This number is easy to add, the denominator is same. Similarly, this is easy to add. In this, just simply multiply. That is also easy. That is also easy. This is having different denominator. I will solve it for you with the different denominators. How to solve? So we are having a term minus 2 over 3 and 3 over 7. The denominators are different, so how to make it? How to do it? Firstly, multiply the denominator of second with first, that is 7 2s are 14, opposite sign means negative sign, 7 3s are 21. Next is 3 over 7 multiply by 3 over 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. So simply add them on, minus 14 over 21 plus 9 over 21. As we know that if two terms are having different sign, firstly we have to subtract them and then we have to give the sign of the greater term. What comes when we subtract minus 14 from 9? The answer is 5 and the greater term is minus 14, so just add here the negative sign and the LCM is 21. So this is the way to add the terms with different denominators. So rest of the questions are same, just do it on your own. Next is add. There are three terms, so how to add three different terms? Let me do a question for you. I'm doing the second one, that is 2 over 3 plus minus 7 over 11 plus minus 1 over 4. So simply add the first two terms, then add them into the third terms. So first two terms similarly make the LCM same, multiply the first term with the denominator of second, that is 11, that would be 22 over 33. Next is minus 7 over 11. So multiply it with the denominator of first. That would be 7 3s are 21 minus 21 over 11 3s are 33. So that would be 22 over 33 plus minus 21 over 33 plus minus 1 over 4. So that would be, just simply subtract them. That would be 1 over 33 plus minus 1 over 4. So similarly multiply it again. 1 over 33 multiplied by 4 over 4, that would be 4. 33 multiplied by 4, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12 and then 1 13, that would be 132. Next is minus 1 over 4 multiplied by 4 over 33, that would be minus 33 over 132. So simply add them. 4 over 132 minus 33 over 132, that would be minus 29 over 132. That is the answer of this question. So moving to our next question. What is our next question? Our next question is a statement question. What is the statement? The three notebook have the thickness 1 over 2 centimeter, 3 over 4 centimeter and 5 over 8 centimeter respectively. Find the total thickness of if they are piled up on each other. Suppose I am having this book. This book is having thickness 1 over 2 and this is having 3 over 4 and we have to find the total thickness. To find the total thickness we have to add them on. So simply add these. How to add these? 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 plus 5 over 8. Similarly take the LCM first, then add the first two terms, then add the sum to the third term. That is very simple. I'll do it for you. Firstly we have to write the statement. What is the statement? The length of notebook, just simply write the length of notebook. First is 1 by 2, the length of second notebook is 3 by 4 plus the length of third notebook is 5 by 8. So solving first two terms, simply 1 by 2 multiply by 4 over 4, that would be 4 over 8. So multiply 3 by 4 with 2, that would be 6 over 8. So add them. 4 over 8 plus 6 over 8 plus 5 over 8. 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 over 8 plus 5 over 8, that would be 15 over 8. That is the centimeter. That is the total thickness of three notebooks. So moving to our next question. What is the next question? Find the perimeter of an irregular shape with four sides measuring 9 by 2 centimeter, 13 by 4 centimeter, 26 by 5 centimeter, 33 by 10 centimeter. So simply what we have to do, we just have to add them on. 13 over 4 centimeter plus 26 over 5 centimeter plus 33 over 10 centimeters. So now add first two terms, add last two terms, then sum them up. 9 by 2 multiply by 4 by 4, that would be 9 fours are 36, 2 fours are 8. So next is 13 by 4 multiply by 2 by 2, 13 twos are 26 over 8. So that is 36 plus 26 over 8, that is 36 plus 26 is 6, 6, 12, 1 carry, 3 2 5 plus 1 6, that is 62 over 8. Next is taking the rest of two terms, 26 over 5 multiply by 10 over 10, that is 260 over 50. Next is 33 over 10 multiply by 5 over 5, that is 33 multiply by 5, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, that is 165 over 50. So simply add them, 260 over 50 plus 165 over 50, that is 260 plus 165, that is 425. So 425 over 50. The two terms are here, now we have to sum them up. So how to sum them up? 62 over 8 plus 425 over 50. So doing the process again, 62 over 8 multiply by 5 over 5, that is 62 multiply by 5, 5 to the 10, 1 carry, 6 5s are 30 plus 31, that is 310 over 8 5s are 4, that is 450. So next is 425 or 50 and we have to multiply it with 8, that is 425 over 50 and we have to multiply it with 8, that would be 425 multiply by 8, 8 5s are 40, 0 here, 4 carry, 8 to the 16, 16 plus 4 20, 0 here, 2 carry, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 2 34, 3400, that is 4, that is 400. So now what we have to do, we just have to add them. The first term is 3100 over 400, the second term is 3400 over 400. So simply add them, 3100 plus 3400, that would be 6500 over 400, that would be 65 over 4 centimeter is our answer. So this exercise is complete by my side. You have to do the rest of questions. If you have any doubt in your class, then we will discuss in your online session. Thank you. Have a nice day.